Hi, I'm Mama Fontana and welcome to my kitchen. Today we're doing cream cheese Danish. Before I get started, I wanted to say to you that are watching for the first time, if you like what you're seeing, subscribe down below. You're going to like our fresh, quick, easy family recipes. So to start, what we're going to do is we're going to make the filling for the cream cheese Danish, and it's really an easy recipe. So 2 packages of cream cheese. Doesn't matter the brand, you can buy store brand, but I got the good kind on sale, so I'm the Selly queen. These are sometimes hard to open, but there we go. There's 1. Here's 2. Cream cheese is so good. I make a jalapeno jelly that my whole family loves, and we put it over cream cheese. Oh God, so good. All right, so there's that. And then we're gonna add 2 eggs. So 2 eggs to this. Fancy crack. Woohoo! All right, then we need just an egg white. We're gonna keep that separate. But I don't waste my egg yolk because, you know what, it's yolk. So go ahead and separate your egg white. Get it in your little bowlie. Get all that stuff in there. And I use my yolk. What the heck? It's not going to hurt anything. The next thing that we're going to do is we're going to put a little bit of vanilla extract. I lied. It's almond extract. Sometimes I use vanilla, but there's something about almond that just gets it a little bit better flavor. So I use about a teaspoon of it. If you put a little bit more than that, it's not going to hurt anything. It'll taste delicious. So we're going to beat this up for a minute. It's going to be a little noisy. Okay, that's good. Now, you can use just plain crescent rolls, the Pillsbury, but you know they have dough sheets. If you use crescent rolls, you have to kind of pinch them together. I buy the dough sheets because there's no pinching. I won't even say anything to that. Pop! Noisy little thing. So your first sheet, you can get it out. It's going on the bottom. Be careful, these are pretty sticky. So sometimes, look at it falling apart, easily put back together. So just go ahead and put it in here, just a regular cake pan. Try to fill in any holes. You can make this for breakfast. I take these to reunions all the time. Make them for people at work, for birthdays and stuff, because it's a pretty easy little recipe to make. So that's all you do with that. We're going to put this right on top. 3 ingredients: cream cheese, eggs, and vanilla extract. You're going to see when this is done, because of the eggs, it fluffs up really nice. It tastes delicious. And if you don't want it plain, I have served this with, you can do it with or without. After it's baked up and it puffs up, and you put this top on it, you can put like canned raspberries, fresh raspberries, any kind of berries, like a lemon meringue kind of thing. That's delicious too. So now we're going to get our second one in here. Hopefully I don't have to fight with this one too much. That's one of my favorite things. So make sure we cover the whole thing. Pull it up, lay it down carefully. There you go. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Now, that egg white I was talking about, here it is. Just want to kind of give it a little bit of a beat here. It doesn't have to be frothy. What this is going to do is it's going to help the top brown. So get your little brush, Get you a little bit of egg white on here. You'll be surprised when you taste this. Then after it's baked, I make just a simple glaze, which is basically just powdered sugar and a little bit of milk. Not an icing, a glaze. So the difference between an icing and a glaze is of course the texture. And an icing you normally put butter and a little bit more ingredients, but I just use powdered sugar, a little bit of milk, and I will put a little bit of the almond extract in it because I like the flavor. Okay, there it is, all covered up. We're going to put this in the oven, 350, about a half an hour. Just make sure that when you text it that you shake it a little bit because you want to make sure that all that egg and the cream cheese is set, and then it'll be ready to pull out. See you in 30. Okay, here it is. Cream cheese Danish. It's hot. I put a little bit of glaze on it, which like I told you, it's just a little bit of almond extract, some powdered sugar, and a little bit of milk. Very little milk. Be careful because it'll go runny on you in a hurry. You're going to love this. It's a really great dessert, breakfast, lunch, dinner, who cares? It's really good. As you can see, where you put the eggs in with the cream cheese, it's mushy. It's just fluffy and delicious. You're gonna love it. Thanks for watching. I really do appreciate it. And as always, remember, subscribe. And I share the love of cooking with my family. Now I'm sharing it with you. See you next time. Thanks so much for watching. If you like what you saw, subscribe down here. If you want to see my latest videos or other ones, go up here. See ya.